Hey guys, welcome back to the Texas State Theory Test, grade 6. In this video, we're going to be going over questions 5 and 6. So let's get started. Question 5 says, label each third on the staff to the right as a major or minor. Note the clef sign. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to draw a keyboard here, so give me just 1 second. Alright guys, that is my little shabby keyboard. Now just remember, when we are talking about the difference between a major third and a minor third, all we're talking about is the difference of 1/2 step. So, for instance, if I go from C to E, right, that is a third. But C to E flat is also a third, and C to E sharp, aka F, is also a third. So, there's 3 different types of thirds that we can be talking about. All we want to talk about is the difference between a major third and a minor third. So here's how it goes. From C, if I go up 4/2 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is a major third. Major equals 4/2 steps. Alright? A minor third is simply 3/2 steps. So if I start on C, don't count C as 1. C is the starting note, or whatever the bottom note is. That's your starting note, because you can't have a step with just 1 note. You have to have at least 2. So I'm going to start on C, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. There's my minor third. So a minor third is simply 3/2 steps. Alright? So, now that you know that, let's take a look at these. We're in bass clef. Here I have, let's go back to black, C and E. Oh, looky there. C to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4/2 steps from C to E. So that is a major third. Okay? That's all we have to put. M-A-J. From G to B flat, this is G, this is B flat. Let's take a look up here, see if I can find a G real quick. Alright, here's G, here's B flat. If I count, it should be 1, 2, 3. That's 3/2 steps, so that is a minor third. Next, we have B and D. Okay, B. Whoops, I should have put a flat right here. That's a flat. That's a B flat. Okay, now B to D. Here's B. Here's D. That, if we count, is 1, 2, 3. That is 3/2 steps. That is another minor third. Alright, and the last one, we have an E to G. You can go top to bottom. I just prefer to go bottom to top. You know, it doesn't really matter. It's the same distance whether you're going from here to San Antonio, or from San Antonio to here. You know, it's the exact same distance. So E to G, let's find an E right here, and a G right there. So here we have only 1, 2, 3. That's 3/2 steps. Yeah, we have 3 minors. It doesn't have to be, we don't have to have 2 majors and 2 minors. They could have made it all minor. You just need to know the difference between a major and a minor third. That's question 5. Let's move on to question number 6. It says, below the arrow in each measure, draw one rest, not a note, that has been left out of the measure. Note the time signature. Do not use dotted rests. Okay, very simple, very simple. We are in 3/4 time, as indicated right here, 3 beats per measure. So let's figure out how many beats we have. Here I have 1 beat, here I have another beat, I have 2 beats, I need 1 more, so I need a quarter rest. Okay, now let's take a look here. Here I have 1 beat, here I have another beat, here it looks like I have a beat, but I need 4/16 in order to make a complete beat. I only have 3/16, so I need a 16th rest. So how we draw a 16th rest, dot, dot, line, line, and then there we go. 16th rest. As easy as that. Okay, here I have 2 beats right there, and here I only have 1/2 a beat, so I need another 1/2 a beat, so I just need an 8th rest. There we go, 8th rest. And here I have nothing. I need all 3 beats. This is why they said do not use dotted rests, because I've seen so many students tempted to do a dotted 1/2 rest, and we are not going to do a dotted 1/2 rest. Remember, a whole rest gets the entire measure, so we are just going to draw a whole rest. That's it. Probably shouldn't make it that big. I mean, I'll make it a little smaller. Doesn't need to be that big, just there. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. Alright, that is questions 5 and 6. I hope you understood all that. Keep studying, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.